Hello, I am Satish Jangir, Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa, in Civil Engineering Department. Today, now I will discuss on the Clapeyron's theorem numerical problem in analysis first. In this theorem, we have studied previous lecture, derive the equation of Clapeyron theorem. In this numerical, only we have taken a simple beam and acting a whole span UDL small W kilonewton per meter. As shown in this figure, a beam ABC of length 2L rests on three supports equally spaced and it is loaded with UDL W unit length throughout the length of the beam. Draw the shear force and bending moment diagram for the beam. इसके लिए अपन क्लेपेरॉन थ्योरम का यूज करते हुए दो आपके पास स्पान है, स्पान ए बी एंड स्पान बी सी। क्लेपेरॉन थ्योरम क्या कहती है, आपके यदि दो स्पान हैं और सबसे पहले दो स्पान ही लेकर उसको अपन सॉल्व करते हैं। अप्लाइंग द थ्री मूवमेंट थ्योरम फॉर यूडीएल वी get from the equation MAL plus 2MB L plus L this length plus this length plus MC into L equal to 6A x bar upon L1 plus 6A x2 x bar 2 by L. This is the solution of UDL is we have discussed previous lecture. Direct formula of 6A x bar upon L factor is WL cube upon 4. Then this is the easy to solve out this problem. But here MA and MG equal to 0 because there is the simply supported. Then value put in this equation MA 0, MC also 0, 1 and 1 2 and 2, then 4 MB equal to WL square by 2. Now MB equal to minus WL square upon 8. Thus the fixed moments are taken for RA. Written equation for bending moment at B, thus RA into L minus WL into L by 2. Here is the load W kilonewton density, this length is L and UDL like act as a L by 2. Then MB equal to minus WL square upon 8. Now RA equal to WL by 2 minus WL upon 8. Then solve this, then 3 upon 8 W into L in upward direction. Similar RC is also 3 by 8 W L in upward direction by the symmetry of. Then RV equal to 2WL minus RA plus RC, 2WL minus 3 by 4 W into L, then 5 by 4 WL in upward direction. Thus the reaction are completely known, then we can easily do the shear force diagram. Then we show this is the reaction at point A, then upward direction, then sign is taken from section left side is upward is positive and right side is down upward is negative. Then sign is 5 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 into L. Similarly, draw this bending moment shear force diagram and bending moment diagram also draw in this. Here is 0 and here is 0. Here is the W L square upon 8. This is the minus sign. Minus sign is taken in up downward direction. Now the bending moment at any distance x from E for the span AB is given by mx. We can take a section from x distance, then RA into x clockwise sign is taken positive, then RA is equal to 3 upon 8 W into L into x minus WX square by 2. This is the parabolic variation. At x equal to L, so mx equal to mx at x equal to L, then mb equal to 3 upon 8 W into L into L minus WL square upon 8, then finally WL square upon 8. For the point of inflection, the bending moment is equal to 0, the point of contraflexion, then 3 upon 8 WLX minus WX square by 2 equal to 0, then cancel from the x to x, and x equal to 3 upon 4 L from the A point, then point of contraflexion is 3 by 4 of L. Here is the bending moment is change sign. The bending moment diagram can be drawn by the superimposing mu diagram over mu dash diagram as shown in the figure. The bending moment diagram on the straight base. So the shear force diagram, bending moment is maximum where shear force is 0. In this figure, the bending moment diagram is this. Here is bending moment diagram is negative going WL square upon 8, and here is WL square upon 8 and WL square upon 8. Fixed moment draws the straight line this, and this line is taken positive upward the fixed moment diagram. Now next example, a continuous wave ABCD cover 3 span AB 1.5 L, BC 3L and CD L. It carries a uniformly distributed load of 2W, W and 3W per meter run on the span and CD respectively. If the girder is of same cross section throughout, find the bending moment at support B and C are the pressure on each support. B and C pressure on the each support. Also plot the bending moment and shear force diagram. Then first we calculate the maximum bending moment due to 2W, W and 3W. For span AB, W L square upon 8 due to UDL, then mx equal to 0.5625 WL square. For span BC, W L square upon 8, then 1.125 WL square. For span CD, WL square upon 8, then 0.375 WL square. Applying the three movement theorem and Clapeyron's theorem for the span AB and BC. First we apply the theorem for span AB and BC. Now MA into L1 plus 2MB L1 plus L2 plus MC into L2 equal to minus of factor 6ax bar upon L plus 6a2 x2 bar upon L, then WL is Q upon 4 because UDL load act on the both is one WL upon 4 and WL upon 4. Then put the value of W and L, W and L. Then solve where M A equal to 0 because this support is simply supported and M D is also 0 where D is also simply supported. Similarly, applying three moment theorem for BC and CD. यहाँ से आपके एक इक्वेशन बन गई जिसमें आपके दो अननोन है बी और सी और नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन बनेगी उसमें भी आपके अननोन क्या होंगे बी और सी तो दो इक्वेशन होंगे और दो अननोन है उनको सॉल्व करके हम इजीली नाउ MB 3L plus 2MC 3L plus L plus MDL equal to WL cube upon 4 WL cube upon 4 this is the factor of 6A x bar XL bar upon L plus 6A XR upon L. Now MB plus 2.667 MC equal to minus 2.5 WL equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 we get the value of MB and MC. MC equal to minus 0.6696 WL square and MB equal to minus 0.7143 WL square. Now reaction for at A, write the expression for bending moment at B. Bending moment at B RA into L minus 2W 1.5L into 1.5L by 2 equal to MB. Then value of MB equal to this. Put the value of MB and solve the equation and finally we find the reaction at point A are equal to 1.0238 W into L. Sign is positive because the taken sign is the same. For reaction RB, return the expression for bending moment at C. Now taking moment about point C, RA into 1.5L plus T, then moment into distance, then load into distance and load into distance. Then MC equal to point minus 0.6697 WL square. Solve this equation and put the value of RA and finally we get the reaction at point B is 3.4911 W into L. Similarly for reaction RD, while the equation of B at D, considering right hand side RD into L minus 3W L square by 2 and M C equal to minus 0.6696 WL. Then finally we get the reaction of D. Similarly, we can easily solve this equation for RC. Then draw the shear force in this figure. This is the shear force diagram and this is the loading diagram and this is the loading plus fix and movement diagram. This is the combined bending moment diagram due to loading and fix and movement. Thank you for watching for this video.